As a homeowner in Clearwater, Florida, you are no stranger to the intense sun, occasional storms, and humidity that characterize the region's climate. While these weather conditions can be beautiful and relaxing, they can also have a significant impact on your home's windows over time. If your windows are aging, damaged, or inefficient, it may be time to consider window replacement. Replacing your windows is not just about improving the look of your home. It's an essential investment that offers a wide range of benefits. Let's explore why window replacement in Clearwater is a smart choice for homeowners. Enhance energy efficiency. Living in Florida means dealing with extreme temperatures, especially during the hot summer months. Your air conditioner is likely running almost constantly to keep your home cool, and inefficient windows can contribute significantly to your energy costs. Old or worn-out windows often allow heat and humidity to enter your home, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. New, energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, helping your home stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. With technologies like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas fills between panes, these modern windows provide excellent insulation. As a result, your HVAC system won't have to work as hard, which can lead to a noticeable reduction in your monthly energy bills. Over time, this energy savings can offset the cost of window replacement, making it a worthwhile long-term investment. Increase curb appeal and home value. One of the easiest and most impactful ways to enhance your home's curb appeal is by replacing outdated or damaged windows. Whether your home has old single-pane windows, wooden frames showing signs of rot, or faded glass, window replacement can instantly elevate the exterior look of your property. New windows come in a variety of styles, finishes, and colors that can complement the architectural style of your home, giving it a fresh, modern appearance. In addition to improving aesthetics, replacing your windows can increase the overall value of your home. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with newer, more energy-efficient windows, as it means they won't have to worry about costly replacements down the road. If you plan to sell your home in the future, investing in window replacement can result in a higher sale price and a faster sale. Improve comfort and reduce drafts. Drafty windows are more than just an inconvenience. They can make certain rooms in your home uncomfortable, especially during Florida's cooler months. Air leaks around your windows allow outside temperatures to seep in, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder. This can lead to uneven temperatures in different parts of your home, leaving you with cold spots in winter and stifling heat in the summer. By replacing your windows, you can eliminate drafts and enhance comfort in your home. Modern windows are equipped with weather stripping and high-quality seals that create a tight barrier against air leaks. This ensures that your living spaces maintain a consistent, comfortable temperature year-round, no matter what the weather is like outside. Protect your home from the elements. Living in Clearwater means you're exposed to the Gulf Coast's weather patterns, including heavy rain, strong winds, and occasional hurricanes. Over time, the constant exposure to these elements can weaken your windows, making them more susceptible to damage. Cracks, chips, or gaps in your windows can compromise the security and safety of your home. Window replacement is especially important if your current windows are outdated or if they're not built to withstand strong storms. Impact-resistant windows, commonly used in hurricane-prone areas like Clearwater, offer an added layer of protection by preventing shattering and keeping debris from entering your home. Installing these windows will not only improve your home's safety during storm season but also provide peace of mind knowing that you're better prepared for any unexpected weather events. Reduce maintenance costs. Older windows often require more frequent repairs and maintenance. Drafty windows may need to be resealed or reglazed, wooden windows can be prone to rotting or warping, and old hardware may need to be replaced. The cost of maintaining old windows can quickly add up, especially if they require significant repairs or if the frames start to deteriorate. With new windows, you can reduce maintenance costs significantly. Modern materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, are built to last and require minimal upkeep. These materials resist rotting, warping, and corrosion, allowing you to enjoy your windows without constant worry about repairs or replacement. Enhance security and safety. Old windows with worn-out locks, damaged frames, or broken glass can compromise your home's security. Modern windows come equipped with advanced locking systems and more durable frames, making them harder to break into. Additionally, many newer windows feature tempered glass, which is less likely to shatter into dangerous shards in the event of a break-in or impact. Replacing your windows is a proactive way to ensure that your home is safer for you and your family, offering better protection against both intruders and accidents. Conclusion. Window replacement in Clearwater is not just about improving your home's appearance. It's a practical and essential investment that provides numerous benefits. From enhanced energy efficiency and increased comfort to improved security and storm protection, replacing your windows offers both immediate and long-term advantages. If you've noticed higher energy bills, drafty rooms, or outdated windows that no longer function properly, it may be time to consider making this important upgrade. With the right window replacement, you can enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and efficient home for years to come.